In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to render HTML string to PDF in C#. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to render an HTML string into a PDF using IronPDF in C#. Make sure you've already installed the IronPDF NuGet package before diving in. Also, the purchased or trial license key is obtained from the website if you need it. To start, we'll instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer, which will handle the conversion of our HTML content into a PDF. And with just a simple HTML string like hello world inside a tag, you can quickly generate PDF file by using the render HTML as PDF method. Then save the PDF document using the save as method, and that's it. For more advanced cases, you can load external assets like images, CSS, and JavaScript by setting a base path for the file location, allowing your HTML to include additional resources. So let's run the application to see how our string renders into a PDF. All right, and there you go. We have all the PDF documents with our content generated from HTML string. So as you can see, converting HTML to PDF is fast and flexible. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Try it for yourself.